How to insert a 3D model into Excel. 3D models have become increasingly popular with the development of technology and can illustrate and additionally clarify something in a very fine way. Today we will look at how to insert them into Excel. Okay, first of all, we need to open the Excel we want. When we have done that, we need to do the following. In the top menu, find the Insert section and click on it. Here, among the numerous options, find the 3D model option. Click on it. A window will open in which the existing models will be loaded. You can search for them in the search field or click on one of the offered categories. Choose one. Choose the one you want. I will choose this one as an example. After that, just click on the Insert button. All that remains is to wait for the model to learn. When the model has been loaded, we can position it as we want. We can also rotate it. That is all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.